Today, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos legally. First, I'm going to start by showing you how to download YouTube videos from your own channel. And then after that, I'm going to show you how to download videos of other creators legally on the YouTube platform. Now, to get started, simply click on this icon. Once you click on that icon, just go to YouTube Studio. Now, this is actually helpful for a lot of YouTube creators that actually want to back up their channel and have their videos on their devices. So simply come on content, and then once you get in here, you are going to see all your videos. So you can easily just download any one of your videos. So once you click on these three dots, you are going to see the download icon, and that's it. Once you click on download, just give it a few seconds, and then it's going to start downloading the video. As you can see, I've actually started downloading. So you can see that I've started downloading. So that's how you can actually download videos from your own channel. Now let me show you how you can legally download videos from other creators on the YouTube platform. So let's go on YouTube. So once you come in here, just look for any video that will actually spark your attention. Please make sure that if you are using PC, just use your Chrome browser. Chrome browser actually works best when using PC. So just look for any video that actually spark your attention. Let me say this video for example. Once you click on the video, just wait for the ads to finish playing. All right, so now that the video have started playing, simply click on the three dot icon. That's if you do not see the download button. Click the three dot icon, you are going to see the download button. But mind you, you will only be able to download on YouTube if you are majorly using a premium account. That's when you are going to get good quality. So right now you can see that I can actually download on standard and I can download on low quality. You can see that standard, low quality. But if I actually want higher quality, I will need to upgrade to premium. So you can see that full HD and high. So if I want good quality, I need a premium account. But if I just want to download on a very low quality, you can see that. So let me just download anyone. So this is the legal way for you to actually download YouTube videos right from the YouTube platform. So let's click on view. So it's going to take us to the download section. So you can see that. You can see your downloads. So in here, you can actually see any video that you actually download from YouTube. So that's just how it works. Now, before I bring this video to a close, if you actually want to access your download section on YouTube, it's actually quite easy. All you have to do is click on this three dot icon. Once you click on it, just scroll down. Normally, it's going to be here. Just scroll down to this use section. You're going to see the download section in here. You can see that. So this is how you actually access your download section, and in here you'll be able to see all the videos that you have actually downloaded, and then you'll be able to watch them legally offline. So you can also see the premium in here. Now if you are using an Android device or you are using a phone device, just look for any place that is actually showing you premium on your device and then upgrade to premium, and you'll be able to legally download videos on YouTube. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.